To begin the felicitation of our partners, let's first of all call upon stage our title partner, Rose Marta. Can we please have you on the stage? The mementos for our felicitation partners, please. Our title partner, representative from Rose Marta, please come up on stage. Round of applause for our partners, ladies and gentlemen. You've been a wonderful audience, and we are quickly moving towards the most awaited segment as well. The title partners for 6th Auto Retail Conclave of the FADA, Rose Marta. Thank you so much. Now we move to our platinum partner, Acko Drive Service Center. Can we please invite you on stage? As our FADA office bearers wait for you for felicitation. Platinum partner, Acko Drive Service Center. Okay, let's move on then to the silver partners. For this, I'm going to invite on stage Blueverse India Private Limited first. Blueverse India Private Limited, our silver partners. Can we have the representative? Okay, I think we have our platinum partner here with us now, Acko Drive Service Center. Can we have their memento, please? The platinum partners. I think you took a little bit of a longish break after giving your presentation. Yeah, the platinum partner memento, please. Acko Drive Service Center, which was brought just before this. And then we'll move to our silver partners. There it is. A round of applause for our platinum partner, please. Thank you so much, sir. So can I now announce the silver partners first? Blueverse India Private Limited. Can we have our representatives? So please join us. Blueverse India Private Limited. Amongst our silver partners, HDFC Bank. Please join us on stage, sir. Silver partners, HDFC Bank, getting felicitated. We would also like to invite on stage the representative from HDFC Ergo to please come up. Amongst our silver partners, HDFC Ergo. Sir, would you be having your colleagues or would you like to receive on your own? So at the moment, we are felicitating our silver partners, HDFC Ergo. silver partners, Yes Bank. Someone from Yes Bank, please, if you can join us on stage. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please. Don't let that die down. The night is still alive. We are just picking up pace, in fact, at this moment. All right, let me now announce our business accelerator partner, DGLV MMCM. Can we once again have you on stage with us, please? Our business accelerator partner, DGLV MMCM. Thank you so much, sir. With that, we are moving on to announce our bronze partners for the event. First up, ATS Elgi. Can we have someone join us on the stage? Our bronze partner, ATS Elgi, first to be felicitated by FADA office bearers. Thank you, sir. Next in our bronze partners, Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company. Thank you, sir. Amongst our bronze partners, we move to invite on stage ICICI Lombard. Representatives from ICICI Lombard, kindly join us on stage, please. And RMI Insurance, can we have someone from RMI Insurance? Our bronze partner, RMI Insurance. Can I request you all to please put your hands together for all our partners as we wrap up the felicitation in this segment. And